Are raw vegetables or cooked vegetables better? Question. Answer, depends. For instance, like tomatoes. If you cook tomatoes, you actually get more benefit from them because you boost what's called the lycopene in it, which is a powerful antioxidant. It has more in it, more powerful than vitamin C. Second one would be carrots. Carrots, if you cook carrots, you get something called beta carotene, which has a very strong antioxidant effects, especially for the eyes, for the immune system as well. But I think one of the biggest ones out there would be your cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli. Yes, other cruciferous vegetables be broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale. Those are probably some that we eat a lot of more frequently, and most people don't like to eat cruciferous vegetables when they're raw. I don't. They usually upset my stomach. But the beautiful thing about the cruciferous vegetables is they have something called glucoraphanin in there. Now, there's glucoraphanin in here that when you actually bite this, when you tear it up, it activates something called myrosinate, which is an enzyme that helps convert the glucoraphanin into something called sulforaphane. Now, sulforaphane has very awesome properties because it turns on something called the NRF2 pathway. Now, why is that important? That NRF2 pathway actually turns on over 200 genes that are beneficial for anti-aging, for brain health, for heart health, for managing blood sugar. They've seen it even improve with kids with autism, prostate cancer. So it really even helps reverse the aging process so you actually look younger. So why wouldn't you want to eat vegetables that are going to contribute to that? Well, for a lot of you, like myself, I don't always like to eat my vegetables raw, especially cruciferous vegetables, so I do cook them. But when you cook them, you're not going to get the benefits of the sulforaphane, which turns on the NRF2 pathway. However, there is a little catch there. If you cook them, you can get 4 times the maximal benefits of that sulforaphane. Remember, you got glucoraphanin, turns into sulforaphane, but you need that middleman, which is called myrosinase, that as soon as you cook these, you actually deactivate it. It doesn't work anymore. But there is a glitch, or a trick, I should say. If you add mustard seed powder, which is rich in myrosinase, you actually will still get the benefits of your cruciferous vegetables like your broccoli. So anytime you cook your Brussels sprouts, your kale, your cabbage, broccoli, what you want to do, the studies show that if you use, you actually add about a gram to those cooked vegetables, which equates to about 1/2 teaspoon of the ground mustard seed powder, you will actually get the benefits of the sulforaphane, which turns on that NRF2 pathway that we were talking about. So pretty easy thing to do. So it's almost better to cook your cruciferous vegetables as long as you add the mustard seed powder on that after it's been cooked, so that you can get 4 times the maximal benefits of your cruciferous vegetables. So next video, I want to share what is actually has more antioxidant and the benefits of broccoli. There's something that's actually better than broccoli. So I'm going to share that on the next video. So stay tuned for that. So if you like these videos, you're getting some information, valuable information, please like it, share it with us, with others, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and just help us with our mission. So we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.